For the guy that comments on literally every single video telling me that I need to do a full MPC hardware, what do you call it? Dress up kit?
Oh, a dress up kit.
In this car? No, but we did get some more MPC stuff for today's video.
Robbie finally ordered something that's gonna make pow pow with this car.
I finally manned up. We got our big turbo on the way and our Sidewinder kit and everything for this car, and I figured before we do that, I just want to go play with it a little bit and beat on it before it's, you know.
May as well break the turbo in.
Well, it's fun to play with it in stages. So today we want to go and beat on this car a little bit, but before we do that, we gotta fix this, because that's not safe. Dude, look how clean this thing is. So this is a MPC battery relocator kit. Yeah, you can hold it, you can hold it. Okay. I don't know if it's a relocator kit or like a battery tray. I don't know. Battery holder. I don't entirely know what you would call it, but historically we have used like the big black boxes to put our batteries in, and they don't look super nice. They're just like a big black crate in the back of the car that your battery goes in. And MPC makes a whole bunch of hardware. They actually sent out some really nice little dress-up bolts that I guess go in the top of this that hold the battery in, but this is really cool. I'm gonna leave a link to MPC down below because they make these for different kinds of batteries, different colors, all sorts of different stuff.
It's something you'd never think to go and buy, but I feel like even just in your engine bay, this would look nice.
Yeah, it would, 100% it would. And you guys know, ever since we relocated our battery, we've been using the freaking center seat belt from the back seats to hold this thing in, and that's it's just not good. How's that fitment, buddy? Man, a little janked on that side actually, but not bad. So now I actually have a usable trunk, kind of, sort of. It's kind of just bare metal, but hey, it's a still trunk. And this just looks proper now. It's got a nice little tie down. This thing is like never gonna go anywhere. It is ready to take some launches. I shoved this battery cable up in here too, and I routed it kind of through this little light access hole because I don't actually have the covers for these. They just kind of look like this all the time. So that actually cleaned it up a lot. Looks a lot better. That's just because our wiring job's a little bit jank. So this is good. Ready to take some launches. Also, I just realized we never even told them, bro, that's a new battery. So we don't have to use the booster pack every time we try and start this freaking car, and this guy doesn't have to cry about it every time. We got a new battery.
You're leveling up. Good job.
So like I just said though, this is still like the eBay style log manifold turbo setup that we got going on here, and it's literally the reason why we're not making that much power on this car is because of this log manifold. So in terms of it still being like the eBay setup that it is, I still really want to go out and just play with it and see what we can do on this setup before we level up, so you guys have like an accurate idea too of like, you know, what they can do on the good old eBay setup.
I never tested the Honda before.
Wait, you want to go two-step with Honda?
Yeah, let's go.
I also got a new camera the other day, and I just noticed that the headphone jack was the thing I had the mic plugged into, not the mic jack. We're still trying to figure out how to use this thing. Something else I wanted to remind you guys too is if you guys want to have your car in Driven Calgary, Wednesday is the final day. If you go check out my Instagram right here, you guys can see a little contest thing I put on IGTV, but basically go to the Committee Crew's Instagram and submit like your cars, some photos of them, a little bit about you guys. You can already be registered for the show, or you could not be registered at all, or you get denied, or whatever you want to do. You get free entry to the show, you get a goodie bag from us, you get a goodie bag from Driven, and we don't have any time to get our cars over to Calgary. We got notified that we were going to last minute, so we're gonna have 2 of your guys' cars in the show, and the cutoff to do that is Wednesday, so basically 24 hours from when this video goes live. So go submit your cars if you guys want a chance to get in the show. That's it. One thing we haven't done yet is played with like the 2-step, the launch control. That's something that I've been wanting to do ever since we got this thing tuned, and Chris has never even messed with 2-stepping or like launch control at all.
No.
In anything?
No.
Never. So this is gonna be an exciting day. But I feel like first up, before we do anything, we gotta get like a baseline. I mean, we're doing the 2-step, let's face it. The 2-step,
yeah.
We really just wanna see some flames.
Yeah, we do. That's all we're gonna try. But we do need to be able to launch it.
Yeah, we're gonna like excuse the flames as trying to figure out if we can launch the car. I also feel like I need to remind everybody that we are running a twin disc clutch. So you're gonna hear a lot of weird sounds. I don't know if I would call that much of a launch. I basically just eased into a burnout. We're still running stock tires and wheels, part of the sleeper look. We're trying to find like a nice wheel and tire combo that will look super stock, but actually give us grip. And we're also
look good. Mix of looking good and being functional.
And being sleeper, but also looking good and also being functional. Don't judge us. 24.8.
Not bad.
See what that does?
We got no compressor, so we can't go up. Wick! Wick!
My bad.
Come on, step it up there, sonny boy.
So that was the exact same thing I just did that I broke loose right away. Just like a soft launch. With these tires, there's only so good that we're gonna get. Car's also really not happy about the temperature today.
In the ditch, real quick. Oh, she's toasty! Oh my god! Ah!
Fuck me, dude. Oh my
buddy,
god.
we're both screaming like little girls over here.
I feel like with the hood off, dude, it's a lot less like, oh, that wasn't us. Yeah, and there's a lot more like, hey, that was obviously you. Yeah, for sure. I guess actually before we do anything, we should see if Nick put a two-step on this tune.
Okay.
Because he might have put something in here.
Yeah, maybe.
I might rev it right now and it might just go to the moon.
Might just, yeah, just maybe max the...
He did put one in there, dude, nice. And it sounded like it was popping nice. That sounded sick. We might be able to get some flames out the exhaust. I remember on the dyno he was getting flames with the exhaust.
Yeah, true, he was.
So we got to be able to do it sometime.
We'll try. I don't know that we got anything.
No? That's okay. He probably didn't do it for flames. He probably just did it for two-step.
Yeah.
So, okay, but I didn't know we had this. So can we try a two-step launch?
Yeah, we can. That was a stinky one for sure.
So two-step in Hondata is something that I've actually done before. Me and Emerson have messed with this a couple times, and we've also broke stuff because we messed with it, but we've messed with it a couple times. It's like the only thing I know exactly how to use in Hondata, but I actually learned a bunch of stuff recently from one of Nick's YouTube videos. You guys know Nick, he tuned our car. His YouTube channel is Tuning by Nick, and he actually has this video, Hondata K-Pro two-step tuning with flames, and it literally like step-by-step teaches you what everything means and goes through the whole thing. And I thought I knew what I was doing, but then I watched that video the other day and I was like, damn. Like he shows you like the different fuel enrichment steps and like all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So if you guys are trying to learn, like actually learn how to do this, check out Nick's YouTube channel, check out that video. For us today though, he already has some sort of launch control programmed into here. Hondata's launch control is not the best. It's not really two-step, it's more of launch control. Nick's K24, you can see on the screen right there, he's got like the different numbers that he's got going. That's his K24 NA setup and how he got the best flames. For us right now, he's got 4,800 and 5,000 RPM, which I feel like is a decent RPM if you're actually going to launch it. And the fuel enrichment is at 1,000 and he only got to 750. I'm gonna just do what he did and put this to 6,000 and then put this to 6,100.
Yeah, one more for the booty.
All right, I'll try.
Damn, she sounds so nice.
It sounds good though, dude. There has to be flames underneath here.
We're about to find out.
Check that dump pipe.
Okay.
Nothing?
I'm about to show you. We're gonna find out together.
Dude, I feel like that whole clip was flames, but it's so hard to tell because it's so bright.
I'd say like the only other way to find out is to put a Tim Hortons coffee cup there.
And see if we start a fire. Okay, buddy, can you give me a little spice? I need to hear this from outside.
Oh, shit.
It sounds good because the turbo actually like spools up and then flutters and just sounds nice. Yo, 100% that's flames, dude. It's just bright. It's just too bright to see it.
Sound though.
It sounds really good actually. But yeah, once we route that into the exhaust, you'll see them just coming right out here. Oh, damn, son. All right, we're gonna throw our hood on and we're gonna make headway somewhere else here. We're gonna try and find somewhere a little bit darker, see if we can mess around with it just a little bit more and find some flames and stuff. I feel like there's no way we're getting this two-step programmed for flames and actual usable two-step. But I do, like, you want to run up? I want to try and do a nice launch.
Yeah, okay, we'll try one. Let's just hope he doesn't bust his trans. Trying to learn how to shift or something. I feel like it was an alright launch, you know? Say it could have been good enough to beat the skyline.
Get in, feel it from the inside. Okay, you ready?
I'm gonna have to say that did not sound good.
That didn't sound like what we wanted for sure.
I swear I heard like nuts and bolts go flying.
Oh, I heard a lot come flying. If I just detonated this at 266 horsepower on our eBay turbo kit, I would much rather do it now and find out we had a problem than when we go to the dyno and we push like 450 plus and I leave the dyno like 2 hours from my house and I'm like, what's this, guys? Boom, boom, and I explode on the side of the road.
Yeah. Courtney.
You know, we could have just checked the car.
We could have, yeah, but no, but we were both so certain that we heard a bunch of bolts and shit, so we were just kind of hoping we could see something.
Got grease on it. Looks like a little retaining clip almost.
What the?
So that's good. Oh yeah, look, boom.
Oh.
Pop.
Oh yeah.
On the plus side, this is grease, right? Yeah, this is just grease. So I think what we did was we blew a CV boot. If we seen oil or transmission fluid, I'd be crying real tears. I don't give a shit about this. That's fixable. It wouldn't be a Robbie and Chris Monday if I wasn't hungover from my COVID shot and we didn't blow something up.
Yo, I'll still buy you a nice coffee though.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Holy!
What, did we just molest it?
Oh my God. Can you see that?
Oh.
Can they see it? Oh. Oh. But guess what?
Guess what though? Our mounting
The
points.
mounting points are good. All you guys have been commenting saying put 3 bolts or like you don't have enough bolts in that mounting point for your half shaft, which we put the 3 bolts in, but we had 2 at one point and we knew it was fine. Anyways, the bolts are still good, the thing everybody's been commenting about, but the actual CV boot blew right out of it. Oh man. Okay, so that's the CV axle that plugs into the half shaft.
I'm trying to understand how that happened. I just feel like we're not running enough horsepower.
No, we shouldn't be, but obviously it was been abused in its past.
Yeah.
I bought them used, but like lightly used.
I didn't realize, I thought they're brand new. Like straight out of the box, like out the package, ready to roll.
They were, but he gave me them in the box with the receipt and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, he gave me them in the box with the receipt.
Nice.
So we might be able to get a warranty on these bad boys. I don't even know how that happens, dude. The boot completely tore in half. It's like the retaining clip just blew out.
I don't feel like I got the lunch I deserved.
No, you didn't. 100% you didn't, dude. You got the what? Boom!
Finally got ourselves a trailer with a winch.
And it's busy right now babysitting a new 4-post.
Yeah.
Fuck. Our ride has arrived.
And this right here is why Courtney was not confident pulling the truck out with the trailer next to the Z. It is a little tight, but she came and saved the day.
All right, well, we are so smart that we literally went all the way home, got the truck, got the trailer. We didn't get any tools to take this front bumper off. So I'm saying we just click up to this little dingleberry that hangs down here and we do the old reverse load.
Yep.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Seriously, I hope we'll be back soon, because Robbie owes me a launch.
On the plus side, our battery didn't go anywhere when we were doing all our pulls.
She's nice and tight.
We've decided that we 100% need to build a winch mount on my trailer to mount the winch from Chris's trailer so that we can just take it off and put it on. Yeah. Because even like today, his trailer was busy, like it has something sitting on it, but we couldn't put the winch on my trailer, and doing like the ratchet thing sucks.
Hey, ready? Can we see what's going on?
Yeah, let's view the car now. Nice, dude.
She literally came right out of her home.
Yeah, no kidding. Like, that doesn't even make sense how that just happens on its own. Bro, it got grease all the way over here, like all in this axle, all inside this wheel's covered in grease. The hood had grease. The whole subframe's got grease. My oil filter's got grease. The only way I can see this even making sense that it came apart is that this bearing like popped.
Yeah, and then it started hopping around.
And then it started jumping around inside, and then it just got kicked. I can't wrap my head around how that worked.
Or anything.
No,
it's not even like
you
you turned and pulled the axle out.
No. We can get a nice look at my oil pan doinks too. Oh my god. Damn, dude, when I told you I hit the oil pan hard, I wasn't joking.
Alright, I'm gonna have to be honest. We can't be having that. We either need to get a skid plate or we need to raise the height of this car.
Well, we ain't raising the height of the car.
Yeah.
So we're gonna need to get, maybe we get like a tuck pan. Alright, well, to be honest, it could have been worse. Hearing that boom, and that's all that we got. That at least that's an affordable part. We can throw a new one in. All I got to say now is, we're in the garage. We can make the garage dark.
I'm game.
Nah, nothing yet.
Yeah, one more time. We'll see if we can get something.
Okay.
I don't know, dude. You want to see if there's anything coming out of the back?
I doubt it.
Let's just try.
No?
Nothing out the back, but we got like mad flames coming out the downpipe.
Do we?
Oh yeah, the whole time.
Oh, nice! Yeah, buddy. That's perfect. Not that it matters, because like the downpipe's under the car.
Yeah.
So like we're not super worried about right now what's coming out of there. We're more concerned with once because we want to reroute that dump pipe into the exhaust.
Yeah.
So that they all go into one place.
Exactly.
And then we'll have mad flames coming out the back, which will be super tight.
Yeah.
Nice. Dude, I'm at least say that we got one win out of today. The garage has turned slightly into a hot box of just very potent exhaust.
Peace out, guys. That was so weird with my hand. Peace out, guys, and stay committed.